beautiful.
Your orchid, how about for the good? There's no Zara.
Wow.
Very good. This is cool. Some more. Zara is here.
And the cat. The big cat.
टेम्पो चढ्ने भयो फेरि आमा छोडेर आज Taal Lake.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Taal Volcano. It's a good spot.
Your right side, but I would like to.
Hi. It's a Taal Lake.
Yeah.
Here, ma'am.
Come here.
So, ma'am sir, by the way, good afternoon. So, as you can see in the picture, this is the Taal Volcano. This is the main crater of this volcano, and this one is the Taal Volcano Island. So, this main crater, ma'am sir, was located here at the middle of the island. So, this picture here under will show you the past activities there at the island, because before the eruption, you have two options to reach the top of this volcano to see this one. But since the last eruption, all of this activity here are not allowed to do in this island, sir, because this island are still active until now. Actually, Taal Volcano, ma'am sir, is the second most active volcano here in the Philippines. So the only activity, ma'am, that we can offer you is the boat riding. So for the boat riding, you have one option for that. So here's the tour, ma'am. So from here to our location, the boat will take you around in this whole island, and that tour will take around 1.5 to 2 hours by boat. And then for the price of that, that's already for the three of you, that is 5,500. And then you have to pay also another 100 pesos each for the tourist fee.
Good.
Maganda sa UTI, ma'am. Careful, ma'am.
어디 입었어?
Bigay kayo ng mami mo, ma'am, o abot niya? O, sige. Kapit kayo, ma'am. Hiya, sir. Careful.
Dito 안 돼. 이러고 저거. त्यहाँ हेर्नु त बिसिङ बिसिङ गर्दो रहेछ बिचमा
dito. Para hindi ka mahirapan, ma'am.
Ay.
Oo. Yan. Thank you. Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay na po ito, ma'am.
그 아마 소리 깨어르대서요.
Bulalo camera ko.
So bullalog.
Bulalo.
골누다.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, looks good. What is this? Actually,
This is beef. There's
Beef.
bone marrow and meat.
bone marrow, and
And some vegetables.
looks like corn. Wow, let's start. And there's a San Miguel Pilsen.
Mr. Blogger. यो त भुगा लागेको बेला खानुपर्ने रहेछ। ल आफ्नो आफ्नैहरू आफ्नो पेसेन्ट
Sarado.
Good? Good, Danaji?
तर मलाई फिरो चाहिँ तर तपाईँको यो एकदमै स्पेसल बुल्लारू चाहिँ मस्ट ट्राई रे के
Bulalo.
बुल्लालो
Yeah.
अनि यो सुप चाहिँ बिफ सुप
It's
हो
a
रे
beef ko haddi ko soup.
यो खाएन भने चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ
Yeah.
something will miss so even it's hot we are having soup
Good?
छ होला त्यो
Shipping 해요. This looks good.
Yeah.
What is this?
Halo halo.
Halo halo.
Buko halo halo.
Looks very yummy.
Yeah. You want?
No, thank you. Next time.
Ah, okay.
Lichi we call lichi
Yan ang kahawig, ano?
Mm,
Don't eat the
very
seeds.
tasty.
Just only this one outside.
Mm.
we have this thing तर लिची खाने डर लाग्दैन क्या मलाई
है?
किन तर यहाँको चाहिँ अर्कै रहेछ यस्तो
Mm. Good.
Bye, Mama.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye. Have fun. Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. See you. Bye.